What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Santa Clarita clearance store again. Because they've had heat, man. Let's go see what's up. Is there something going on here? Big old group of fools chilling. They all got bags. Oh, I don't know. Oh, let's go see. Oh, it's a running. Oh, okay. It's a school. Okay. Of course, and when you come here, it's all about that heat wall right there. Get some creeper cam action right here. Got some Nike 12, or got some Jordan 12 golf, some dunks, and then yeah, that's it. All right. Oh wait, he just put up some Jordan. Put some Jordan 13s, some Jordan 1 mids going up there. Oh, I think I just got here right when they're setting up. Holy crap! I think the timing was like perfect. Yeah, Jordan 1 mids. You got some of those 13s right there. Oh, some of those Jordan 5s. Is that a women's or is that a grade school? Okay, what else? Is there anything else I'm missing out on? Alright, looks like that's it. They got the Jordan 5s right there. Those little pink purple ones. Got the Jordan 1 mids. Alright, we'll talk about that at the end. We'll talk about pricing. Remember, nothing here is over $100, dude. All right, let's check out the section, the size 10s and stuff, and then we'll look around. We'll find stuff to look at because they're probably gonna have the same stuff. Size 9.5 right here. Tons of empty spaces. Got the 10s. Okay, it's gonna be interesting to see how it goes. Air Max Dons go for $50. Okay. These some Genomes right here go for $80. That's the cheapest we've seen those. By the way, these are size 10. Trying to find you guys some interesting stuff. Crater Impacts go for $50. Defy All Days down to $30. 10.5 sprinting cleats going for $20. Got the Zoom Terra Tigers. Yep, the 8s go for $70. Damn, I'm at the 11s already. The Genomes, more of those, different colorway. Victory Tour 2s. Air Max Tunes go for $100. I said size 11, right? Yep. Lawful Debuts go for $35. That's a steal. If you like the OG stuff. If you like them canvas things, like the like the Vans, $30 for those. Size 12s, dude, got these bad boys, $60. If you can find a center court here, that's what's up. This colorway is not too bad. They do use some decent leather on them. Just not my cup of tea. That is, that's a pretty good deal. They're supposed to come in something? I don't know. Nike out for free weed? I don't know. No, these are spikes. These aren't even for these. This is for something else. Okay. Yeah, $60, size 12. Air Force One boots going for $80. Seen a ton of these Genomes going for $80. Ooh, what are these? Alpha Flies? Oh, Vaporfly next percent's going for $100. Vaporfly is going for $100. That's hell of a steal. Normally what, $250? Tempo next percent. We've seen a million of these. $100 for those. Dude, is that better? I don't know. Get the Zoom Flies right here, a little bit cheaper, going for $80. No love for the size 13. I didn't neglect the small sizes. Right there. Got a bunch of generics. Dude. Wind flows. This has been here forever. 270. I play soccer now. Air Max. The 270 Reacts Elite. Still goes Zoom from $250 down to $70. That's usually 13. There's like at least a bunch of hoop sneakers. Oh, okay. Racers. They got 13s right here. Like the old school look. Area. $50. 270. Reacts go for $70. Old school look. Not much Trainer 2s go for $50. Not much cushion. More of these Genomes. Crater foam colorways. That seem a little hard. Size 14. That price $50. Terra Tigers right here. Size 8. Always see a ton of basketball sneakers. Find one of those. That's a dope deal. Yeah, got some multiple colorways. We need those. Only the smaller sizes. Okay. All. The Kyries I'll go for $60. PGs I'll go for $50. Nigers right the Alpha Fly next percent. Niger free 2. We need these. $40. Size 15. Wind flows. That's some budget running shoes. Air Force One mid, size 14 goes for $70. Genome, size 15. All Space kinds of basketball sneakers as usual. For $60. More LeBron, only in the smaller sizes. These come with dust on them, a ton of dust because they've been here forever. Next percent go for multiple colorways, PGs. Tempo next percent. See this one pretty much in every size. Ton of PGs, ton of Kyrie. Dude got some running sneakers. Invincible Run Flyknits go for $80. Air Forces right there. Same ones that we saw, size 14. Then why not 0.4 is down to $60. Couple colorways. Dang, super cheap. Alright, being nosy, seeing if they have anything new. No, nothing new. Same old. I didn't neglect the smaller sizes. I just had to check what's going on at the heat rack. 270 Air Max 270 Reacts right here. Got some Zoom Freaks going for $50. Dang, that's cheap. Zoom Freak 3s, man, that's hella cheap. Waffle Racers, you know, like the old school look. $50 for these. These look dope too. Got the old school look. Not much great padding though, or not much cushioning, because Crater foam does seem a little hard. But that price, $50. Size 8.5 LeBrons down to $100. If you can find one of those, that's a dope deal. Multiple colorways. Guess only in the smaller sizes. Okay, all $100. Size 8. Some Nigers right here. The Niger Free 2s go for $40. Wind Flows, like budget running shoes, go for $50. See, Geno's, been seeing a bunch of those. Space Hippies, these are Space Hippie 1s, go for $60. More LeBron, only in the smaller sizes. Did not see these in a ton of the bigger sizes. Tempo Next Percent go for $100. I think that's about it, y'all. They've had these offline forever. These mule looking things. Oh, these are mules actually. But yeah. Oh, they got two different ones. They got like the slides, and then they got the mules, both going, the mocks, right? Those are moccasins. But yeah, going for $60 each. They were both of them like $130 or something. Got quite a few sizes. And got the backside portion right here. Some of them do come with the extra cushioning, some of them don't. And this is like the firmer cushioning. And then this one's like the softer one right here. Ton of slides. I think all their slides are $15, or their thongs are $15. Let's see how much their slides are. Slides don't have prices on them. Looks like their slides are $20. Thongs are $15. Okay. If you guys need to stash something, got one of these as well. But that's too bright though, right? I thought with the stash like that, you're supposed to lay low, but yeah, that doesn't really help. All right, let's check out the apparel section, see what they got. Before we check out the apparel section, do got on some Nike SB Dunks, Dunk Lows. These are the iShod wear. Man, these are just ridiculous. I did buy these here at the clearance store. I think I paid about $40 for them. Yeah, they're super dope. A little dirty in the front. They are suede. Yeah. Jumpman LA shirt. People have been asking me about this shirt. They'll say Jumpman LA on it. Was only sold at the Jumpman LA store, and then they had them at the outlets. I should have bought multiple because I really like these. On white shirts, they usually always turn a little yellow. But yeah, super dope. All right, let's go check out the gear here. See what they got. $25 for Nike hoodies. Holy crap, these are XLs right here. Got some yoga long sleeve dry fits going for $30, super thin. Fleece jackets go for $30. So, ooh, look, University of Alabama Crimson Tide, $25. That's a size medium. Oh man, Alabama fans, that's fire, dude. That's fire. Got the Kenya jackets right here, go for $40. People are finding these at Ross as well. I saw on YouTube and Instagram. And double XL hoodies. It says $50. I doubt it's regular price. These say $30, probably $30. They got these in small as well for $25. Then they got these Nike sportswear. This is a size small as well. $25. Pretty clean design. Checking one of the other racks. $25 if you want flowers on your hoodies. That's a large. Double XL jacket going for $50. Normally $130. Okay, dry fit? What type of material is this? It's a Nike Pro. Oh, it is dry fit. Okay, it's dry fit. USA dry fit running jackets. Yeah, these are going for $30. Normally $80. Damn, these are smalls. Dude got them in medium as well. Then yoga jackets go for 30. These are larges. Nike football t-shirts go for $10. I have a feeling all these t-shirts go for $10. That one got camo if you don't need a hide. Then all kinds of other colors. Dang, they went from super bright to super dark. Okay, all $10. More JDI hoodies. These are like a dark blue. They got these pretty much in every size. $25, pretty much every size. I think this is double XL. Then we got small, got medium, got the matching pants as well. Got large, XL. Man, y'all get the point. Huge fan of these shorts, the diamond fleece shorts. They got that diamond shape on the bottom. Nice thick fleece. $25. I don't do red like that. Yeah, those are super dope. Got more fleece Nike shorts right here. Probably the same price, $25. No, $20 for that one. Normally $55. Man, what the hell is up with that, man? Dude, these is bright as hell. God damn, dude. God dang, dude. This is. Oh, these are the recycled material ones. These are usually hella expensive. Yeah, normally 60 down to 25. That's a large. Got basketball shorts, Jordan basketball shorts right here. These are XL 25, normally 60. Pretty cool design on them. Is that swimming trunks? Got swimming trunks right here. Got they call that the ball catchers, right? The ball catchers inside. Double XL, $20. Double XL? Yeah, these short as hell for double XL. All kinds of basketball shorts. Not too into these. They're just thin. They're just thin. Trying to make them light. $20. A ton of different colors. Slightly different material too. Then they got ducks. The Oregon ducks go for $30. Normally $75. Okay. These are size mediums. Oh snap! I don't see them in different sizes, so it's just mediums. They just got these things right here. Not much else, man. Just these running tank tops that are expensive as hell, man. $70 down to $25. Just those running tank tops. That's about it. They have them in 50 different colors. Oh snap! Almost missed out on these. Look, PSG shirts, double XL though. Yeah, double XL, and double XL. $20, $15. Damn, 15. Then USC jacket. USC hoodies right underneath that. Normally 75 down to 30. Got mediums. Oh, these are all mediums. That's it. Tune sweatshirts, $20. Raining buckets, $10. Decent stuff, but just nothing I really need. I think that might be it, yo. I think that might be it. Check the heat wall one last time, dude. That's not the Heritage, was it? No, but the fake Chicago colorways. That's a size 10. Size 10. Got the, what is it called? The lows right there. The one on top, those aren't lows, though. They're just smaller. Size 8. And then some mids. Mids is a size 8, and then that's about it. $80 for Jordan 1 low. Jordan 1 highs. Wow. $80 for Jordan 1 highs. I'm like, should I get it? It's only $80 freaking dollars. Damn. See Fire Red 3s. I think that's a great score. They're gonna put that up there. I see Fire Red 3s right there. All right, just to give you an update. Look, I've been hanging out probably like 10 more minutes so I've been here for about 10 minutes since the last time I showed that cart, and look, it's all gone. It's all gone. So that's how you got to be quick. That's why I don't always post stuff on Instagram, because yeah, literally within a few minutes it's gone. So it's one of those things where you have to be here. You have to be lucky. Like those Heritage, they went to Heritage. What are they called? The Chicago, the wannabe Chicago dunks, the black, the white and red ones. Yeah, they lasted a few minutes, you guys. All right. I'm done chopping it up with people. All right, let's go. I'm out. Let's go.